Oh, hey. Oh, hey, guys. So, here's the deal. Something good's happening today. We're making a trip to Academy, me and Dad. We're going to make purchases, me and Dad. These purchases will affect the channel from here on out. Pretty excited. I don't know what that was. You see that stare down. What's the smoldering? But yeah, no fishing today. Dad's working. Once he gets off, we're doing something. Then we're going to Academy to get some stuff. Then we're gonna go home and work on it. So stay tuned, folks. Woo!
On what?
Yes. Hey guys and girls, and in between, I'm out of breath because I just ran to get some ratchet straps, and then I left my house and got rear-ended, and she took the trailer in her hood, so it didn't hurt mine none. So that's good. Me and Dad are going to make some dad-son purchases. Been saving up for months for this. So we're headed to Academy, and we're gonna show y'all what we're getting. Da 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 da. Always look both ways. Why are you getting out of frame for?
Oh.
I wonder what we may be purchasing today. Who knows? You're on camera. All right, folks, we're home, and here's what we got going on here. Okay, Perception Outlaw for Dad, 12-foot, 400-pound capacity, I believe, and very, very comfortable. Nice foot pads, cup holder, rod holders on each side, cup holders on each side, very roomy. That's where the crate's gonna go. The storage is gonna go back here. And let me introduce you to Penelope with a little bit worse lighting. Here's Penelope. Pelican Catch 100. Got a measuring board right there. Nice foot pads. 4 rod holders like Dad's, except they're singles instead of doubles. Nice seat. Mine's better than yours. And attachments for, I don't know what to call these, for mounts for stuff. We'll just go with that. For stuff like that. So we're gonna, yeah. So we're gonna put all our stuff on them, anchor stuff and go back to you.